Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial video explaining, like, the fastest way to level 1. That is if we can find it. Oh wait, always get some sort of healing thing, too. Because you're gonna need it. Oh, there we go. Again, this is the fastest way to get to level 1. If you play your cards right. Great, now I just have to wait until the portal opens. One eternity later. Finally. I like to do this, so I have full health. You'll see Bang in the back room somehow. Okay, now let's go find the entrance to level 1. Really, really fast. Hey guys, you remember when Smilers didn't try to kill you? Sadly, that's no more. And we're here. We are in level 1. We're almost in level 1. We are now in level 1. Now I show you the route to the other 2 levels. Plus the way out. You're gonna wanna go over here. You see that glowing blue thing? I'll walk up to it. This is the backroom's exit. But we're not gonna take that just yet. Because we still have to explore the other levels. Which are right down here. We are in level 2. Right now. Also, stick around if you want to know how to get a screwdriver without going to the back rooms. This works for any role. Oh, we are now in the pool rooms. I believe we should do our looting. Because we can loot the pool rooms. but the water's extremely shallow. Not like that's gonna be a problem. Almond water. Okay, the screwdriver. Wait, I don't need extra almond water. I already got some. But don't worry, I'll still be showing you how to get the screwdriver. Without doing what I just did to get one. A stairway that leads absolutely nowhere. Okay. Okay, I didn't take anything good. Oh, and I'll also be showing the use for the screwdriver once obtained. So watch till the end. Hopefully it is not a long video. I'll try to at least keep it under 20 minutes. That is, I'll try. There is no guarantee. Now let's walk back through level 2 and back to level 1 to try and escape. And then, only then, will we do the screwdriver thing. I'm no clickbaiter. I mean, I just showed you the easiest way to get to level 1. Okay. Okay, great. I'm trapped in this maze. Oh look, there's the exit. Quick, before it disappears. Okay, we're good. Now I believe I should show you the use for that screwdriver. And I'll show you all about the screwdriver stuff. So to get it easily, you're gonna want to equip the patient. Oh, and look, there's a screwdriver right here. Grab it. Or you can buy it. Oh, to get a cheap first aid pouch, you buy it from this dude. Guaranteed to save you money. If you go by this method. Also, you're gonna want to go through this vent, which is why you need the screwdriver. Okay. Sorry, we just had to be sus. Oh, and you're gonna put your screwdriver first aid pouch in here. And then you can switch to whatever role you want. Me personally, I like to restart. So the head claim stuff is gone. Oh, and then you go in here, and your stuff will still be there. Nice. Now let's see how sus we can be. Bum 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 bum. Geek, geek, geek. Yeah, that's how sus we are. We're very sus in this channel. We are very sus. Yeah, we need the screwdriver to open vents, sadly. Well, at least it gives them a role in the game. And that role is to be sus. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. As always, hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.